Guten Tag, Dr. Kortemeyer. For our honors project, we tried breaking glass with sound. However, we were only able to make the glass vibrate. For vibrations to occur, the resonance frequency of the glass had to be matched by our voices. This entailed no vibrato and staying at a constant pitch for a given amount of time.
In order to make the glass break, a greater number of decibels would have been required than could be supplied by a single voice. A single voice could also only be used because it is difficult for the sound waves from two people to be in phase with each other and the glass.
The slow motion videos don't show the glass vibrating, but we placed a straw in the glass that wobbled, providing evidence that we were able to match the frequency of the glass. I hope you enjoy our project.
So scared.
Wait, pause. Let me delete this one and start a new one.
That
I heard it though.
resonated for like 5 seconds after.
Just suck it up, Gina.